A young wolf, whose parents had taught him good manners, went hunting alone in the forest for the first time. Very quickly, he caught a rabbit.
Hello. What is your last wish before I eat you?
I suppose I can't ask for my freedom?
Obviously.
Well, then I'd like you to read me a story.
The young wolf, of course, did not have a book with him, but his parents had taught him that a last wish must always be respected.
Okay, I'll have to go home then.
I won't move a muscle. I promise.
Wait, he's gone?
A well-mannered young wolf, available wherever books are sold.